Corning announces Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Corning's Gorilla Glass is used in the displays of many smartphones. With a new glass composition, the new Victus 2 has been announced. It has the same scratch resistance as the original Victus, but improves drop performance on rough surfaces like concrete. According to a large-scale survey conducted by Corning, 84% of consumers in China, India, and the United States, which are said to be the world's three largest smartphone markets, said that durability is the second most important consideration when purchasing a device, after brand itself. The first Victus glass, launched 2 years ago, claimed the screen could withstand a 2-meter drop, but the new version raises the bar even further. Corning says the goal was to create a durable glass that would better withstand being dropped from waist height onto a rough surface. The smartphones have evolved a lot and are 15% heavier and 10% larger than they were 4 years ago, putting more stress on displays. In laboratory tests, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 survived drops of up to 1 meter onto a surface that mimics concrete, and it continued to withstand drops of up to 2 meters on simulated asphalt surfaces, maintaining up to 4 times better scratch resistance than competing aluminosilicates glasses. There's no word on which devices will get the Victus 2 display first, with Corning only stating that it's adopted in over 8 billion devices by over 45 major brands.